first day of the month. So let's jump into pretty much the pre-market prep for May 1st. How are we feeling? How's the mindset today? Woke up at 4:05, feeling a bit sore this morning. But jumping into it right away, my morning routine, cold shower, review yesterday's recap video, meditated, gratitude, goal, pray, vision board. On my way to jiu-jitsu, I listened to Bible. On my way back, I did my journal video, and also this listen to I Am affirmation, 7:40 coffee, audiobook, and 8 o'clock I clocked in. Slept 8 hours last night. Went to sleep around 8 p.m. Woke up once throughout the night to use the bathroom. When I woke up throughout the night, I was feeling really fatigued, and once my alarm went off at 4 in the morning, I was feeling really fatigued and really sore. I went to stay in bed, stay like around 5 minutes. Feeling like a 5 tire wise today. But let's jump into the overall market. So if we look at pretty much SPY, we had a very nice pullback yesterday, and currently we are trading below yesterday's low a day. So honestly, it's looking good for a nice continuation lower, potentially a bear flag here. I would like to see SPY under 500 if we want to see a lower, lower, that big psychological level. Same thing with QQ, currently trading below yesterday's low day as well, and we're gonna look back for a pullback today. Starting off with Tesla. So Tesla, we do have this gap area, so just looking for that gap fill area. I want to let price action tell me a story, but with Tesla, it's very simple. I want to see us below first area. It's gonna be 180 psychological level, but ideally I want to see us below pre-market low for additional confirmation, for a move to potentially to this weekly key level, which is 175.01. Yes, we have some bullish news, but we do have this gap fill area, so we might continue lower to pretty much fill that area. But so I want to let price action tell me the story. So alongside, I'm not really loving it unless we see some really bullish price action. Jumping into Nvidia. So Nvidia, I was really liking this to the long side, but currently we are trading lower. So with this one, it's more paying attention to what price action tells me. But if buyers step up really nice and show clean strength and get into yesterday's price action, I like it for a potential move higher. But ideally, because of the weakness that market's showing, if we actually show some good weakness and we actually get below 850, I like for a move to pretty much to psychological level 845 and this daily key level and pre-market low, which is 841.78. So this one is just paying attention to what price action tells me. And then I have AMD. AMD had earning last night. So with this one, we have a very nice gap lower. We are currently trading about 150. I want to see us below that level. But with this one's very simple. I just want to see us hold below pre-market low for a potential move. Well, actually monthly key level, which is a new monthly low. If we make a new monthly low, I do like it for pretty much for a quick move to this daily key level. But if we actually show some really good strength and buyers step up, I like it for a move higher if we actually hold above this daily key level. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we look at AMD, so AMD, as I said, we did have a nice gap lower, but we're currently trading in between those two levels. I just want to let price action tell me a story. Yes, we gap lower and the market's kind of showing some really nice weakness. So ideally, I like it more to the downside, but I want to let price action tell me a story. It's just paying attention to what price action tell me and trade it based on that. AMD had earnings, so we have high volume. So potentially we could see some nice clean setup. Ideally, best case scenario to the downside, but if we actually push higher and we show some really clean price action, I wouldn't mind for a gap fill area. Jumping into Tesla. So Tesla is pushing lower inside gap fill area. So again, for this one, I just want to wait for additional confirmation. I want to wait for a break and hold below 178 for additional confirmation. I do mention that we have FOMC announcement today. So we could potentially see some choppy price action today. And Nvidia is very simple as well. This one's just paying attention to what price action tells me. So below 850 for a move to pretty much 845 and pre-market low 841.78. Again, I'm open with Nvidia. I'm open-minded for both the direction. With this one, is mainly paying attention to what price action tells me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I was interested in taking pretty much shifting one of those two stocks, either Nvidia or Tesla for Netflix, but it just have very low volume. But Netflix is looking pretty decent to work, but just the low volume, same thing as yesterday. So if it works, it could work without me. So I'm gonna be very strict this month. It's actually just selecting 3 stocks and focusing on those 3. My main focus, all my eyes, gonna be on AMD. Why? Because we did have earnings, so we potentially can have elevated volume, indicating that we could see some nice, potentially clean price action. So let's see what the market presents. As always, we're going to be patient, wait for good up to rise, and once we're all going to follow our rules. Let's have a great day today.